Alright, I'm going to do a quick rundown. This is a SWISS TECH. I had a heck of a time finding these, but it is Chinese made. It's got a good oscillate blade, but I want to show you the proper way, or the way I prefer. And I'm seeing so many people as far as starting a fire, how to strike the striker. Here's the kit. As you can see, it comes with the blade. You can see other videos as far as everything it comes with here, but anyway, this is the blade. So I want to show you a quick way how to use the striker. So with this, you've got a ferro rod on the side of your magnesium block, and I see so many people online, they take it off, they're like, how do I strike it? Where do I use the edge? No. If you see the cutout on the side, that's what this is for. Now, the big thing about it is it needs to be this side for right-handed people. I'm a lefty, and I'm going to show you how this works for me. A lot of people don't understand that best way to strike a ferrocerium rod is to, most people will do it like this, where they strike down on it. Well, you're showering your sparks everywhere. What I do, like they'll use it this way, and that's how it's designed. Right? You see the sparks you're throwing? But the proper way, and what I love about this thing, being a lefty, is I hold it down on my tinder bundle or whatever I'm going to light, and then I pull the rod. That allows you to focus you're focusing all your sparks into one location. I don't want to start the bag on fire, but anyway. It keeps all your sparks in one location. Now this has got a little bit of paint on it here, but it'll come off. You can use it with any ferrocerium rod, but just use your rod, whereas the striker you would normally strike with, hold that steady and pull your ferrocerium rod over it, and allows you to control where your sparks are flying. The other method, you're just spraying everywhere. So focus on holding this in a steady location, like here, and then take your striker and pull it back. So hopefully you can see that. If not, I'll do another video, but I just want to do a real quick video on how to properly do a striker where you're not blasting your tinder bundle everywhere. It allows you to control your sparks, where they're going. So anyway, it's Tim. Hope everybody's having a good day. Hope this helps somebody out there. Peace.